Silva, having scored off the bench on debut again. Salutes to the crowd. He has been in goal for their opening 5 games and is at home to Durban City prior to the international break. Kaizer Chiefs has scored 10 goals in all competitions against Chiefs over the course of his career. And the Kaizer Chiefs salute those, see them their last home game on the 27th. Even for a midweek fixture such as this, it is a high-stakes encounter as we get underway. These sides meeting for the 9th time in the top flight. That's a brilliant little flick header, and there's plenty of space here for Matsimbi, who rolls it across for Bradley Grobler. Who else? He's the first to breach the Kaizer Chiefs defense this season. A man who's made a habit of scoring against Amakosi over the years has done it again.
I could tell you straight away, it's a mistake between McCarthy and the fullback, or that is Paseka. They both went for the same goal. You'll see it. And once they failed to win the ball, and then it all opened up on the left-hand side. Now look at this. They're both challenging for the same ball, and unfortunately they don't win it. And then from there, it's a straight run across with Grobler, who anticipated better. That brilliant at the time.
Dilecto driving to the byline, puts the ball across, and it has been scrambled in. Well, it's made a dream start to life at Kaizer Chiefs. Flavio Silva is on the score sheet again.
That is a great sign of a sniper, in the way that he always finds himself in the box. The first goal that he scored for Kaizer Chiefs when he came in as a substitute, he scored it from being able to profit from. He makes a good run into the box. That's what he does. That's what a great striker does. Tabata initially does well to make the block, but he doesn't completely clean up, which is when Miguel gets the opportunity on the second bite. Good speed once again from Lepo, as he always does, coming from the wide left or right hand side of the attack. That is top quality, great anticipation.
Well, the man who was playing his football before being recruited by Kaizer Chiefs in Indonesia, of all places, has taken to South Africa's top flight like a duck.
Which makes it 9 today, and Kaizer Chiefs 5 only. That's been shot in as far as the presence in front of goal. But clearly, Miguel has decided, I'm going to change this. In my first start for Kaizer Chiefs, I'll make the fit. Missing, of course, in defense is Chihuahua from the DRC. Globe, who plays in that position.
Good pass from Mori. Free kick, Kaizer Chiefs.
And he's a little bit congested. He hasn't found the space to come up with the combination play.
Serena puts the ball in, but the flag raised. A couple of Chiefs players straying offside.
Yeah, there's the Leo shot.
Frosler, Reeve Frosler has a go! And Tostan Sabata makes that.
It's a good one from Frozer here. He was looking for options, but he saw he was welcome. I mean, they kept
just Sereno on the follow-up. Now down the other end, Inacio Miguel is going to be in a little bit of trouble here. He's hauled back Mube, who did have some issues with him earlier, his pace earlier, and unsurprisingly, he has been shown a yellow card. Machalak puts it in. Munade gets his head on it. Loops up it. Now ball across. Tabata claims it was the longest clean sheet run of Peterson's career. Intimidating gap at the top before the lockdown came. Now Grobler, he's put it through brilliantly. And Inasha Miguel making the challenge. Mori. Pule Mori, his ball all the way through to Gaston Serino. The flag is raised.
Very nice to see exactly what would have been the cause for that flag to go up.
He knows too, which Frosler this time succeeds in. Now given away by Lilepo for Ramala. Munade takes over. Oh! He's done it again. Bradley Grobler has restored Sekhukhune United's advantage.
Once again, ball given cheaply away in that build-up stage. This build-up stage I've been talking about, that Chiefs have failed to come out of their half successfully. And this one gets picked up, and Sekhukhune, but Grobler, in the way that he picked up with one leg and turned and sliced it home. Probably Peterson unsighted. Chiefs gets a hold of
Season for Ajax. Ndlovu gets it from Lilepo. The cutback is good. Silva sets it for Frosler. And then has a go himself. There's the corner.
Bit of a reaction from Kaizer Chiefs. Nice from Ndlovu, who gets the part.
Gets it from Serino. Modi down under the challenge. Free kick Chiefs. Simbi's not convinced. Oh, just over the top. Well, this is worth a go for Lilepo. And in fact, they will get a corner out of the situation. And if they manage to win, Nube scoring in their away fixtures. Through goes Munade. Oh! He's got their third! What a wonderful goal for the birthday boy! As Sekhukhune United race into a 2-goal lead. Happy 36th.
There's a problem in the pressing in that middle, and also the defensive line are being found on the front foot. If you can't close the man, the ball carrier, you got to be on the back foot, and that wasn't the case. Easy for Munade to run through the middle, through into the attacking phase with nobody. Now this one, it's a clearance initially. What an easy flick. That's the point. Once again from Grobler. Nobody.
Okay. Let's confirm the subs for you. Spongazini Mtetwa, Gaston Serino, Fabio Silva making way. Equalised on that particular day for Chiefs. Glover's been able to work it out to Lilepo, and then it's lifted in. Oh. Look as though Modi was seeking only to cushion that towards the back post, where nodded down by Lilepo. Referee not interested in the appeals, despite the fact that Michael was upended. Modi, and the man who was used as a sub more than anyone else last season. 6 games into the season, we'll get back to that as Kaizer Chiefs try and make something happen on the edge of the area. Dushabalala, and it's out for a goal kick. I was mentioning Thabang Munade, 6 games into the season, he has his 2nd goal. It's only the second time in his career that he's scored more than one league goal in a single campaign. The last time he did it was back in 2016-17 for Wits.